So good afternoon everyone. We are Group 7 and before we start our discussion, we would like to introduce ourselves. So I am Willie Ancy Sanchez.
I am Rain Victoria P. Lagunzad.
And I am Janine Angel C. Aquino.
And today, we are diving into staffing and human resource management. So, what is staffing? So, staffing is all about getting the right people into the right jobs within an organization. So, think of it as building a winning team. So, staffing is the process of recruiting, which is attracting potential employees, evaluating, assessing their qualifications, selecting, choosing the best candidate, and placing, which is assigning them to suitable roles.
And then human resource management. Human resource management, or HRM, is the strategic approach to managing the people in an organization. Its goal is to make sure employees are well supported, well managed, and able to contribute effectively to the company's success. In simple terms, HRM helps the company bring out the best in its workers.
Let's continue to the key components of staffing. The number one key components of staffing is recruitment. Recruitment means the process of attracting potential employees to apply for jobs opening. So, ang mga organizations or companies ay kailangan ng tao para mag-work para sa kanila. Pero hindi lang yung basta-basta tao. Ang need nila is yung may potential and may alam dun sa work sa company. And dun sa vacant position na kailangan nila i-occupy. There are two types of recruitment. The number one is internal recruitment. Internal recruitment means seeking candidates from within the organization. Ito yung paghahanap nila ng candidates or empleyado na nagtatrabaho na sa kanilang organization or sa kanilang company. So, ang example nito is pagpo-promote. So, yung empleyado na yon is ilalagay nila sa higher position or another one is pag-transfer. Ita-transfer nila yung empleyado nila to another company or branch ng company nila. The next one is external recruitment. External recruitment means seeking candidates from outside the organization. So, ito naman yung paghahanap nila ng candidates or magiging empleyado nila outside the organization or a company. So, this means na naghahanap sila ng new ideas and new skills ng empleyado nila or magiging empleyado nila.
Number 2 is selection. So this is evaluating candidates and choosing the most qualified individual. So we have 3. First is interview. So ito yung pakikipag-usap sa mga candidates para maintindihan yung skills and experiences nila. Next is testing. Ito yung paggamit ng mga test para ma-measure yung mga abilities nila and job-related skills. So halimbawa, pagbibigay ng coding test sa isang software engineer candidate. And number 3 is background checks. Ito yung pag-verify sa mga information na na-provide ng mga candidates. So halimbawa is contacting their previous employer para ma-confirm yung work history nila.
The third is placement. Placement is the process of assigning the right person to the right job. It ensures that an employee's skills match the job requirements. When placement is done well, employees perform better because their abilities fit their task. It also involves officially assigning the chosen candidates to their respective positions. Next is training and development. Training and development provide employees with the skills and knowledge they need to do their jobs effectively. There are two types of training and development. The first one is on-the-job training. This is learning while performing the actual job. Employees gain experience as they work. And the second one is off-the-job training. These are training programs done outside the workplace, such as seminars, workshops, or formal classes.
The fourth one is Performance appraisal. Performance appraisal means evaluating an employee's performance over a specific period. So dito, sinusuri nila kung gaano kabuti ang ginagawa ng kanilang mga empleyado in a specific period of time. Para ma-sure nila yung pag-unlad at pag-angat ng productivity ng organization nila or ng company. Dito rin nakikita yung strength and weaknesses ng mga empleyado nila at kung paano nila ma-improve and ma-develop yung mga empleyado nila. So here are the two objectives in performance appraisal. Number 1 is feedback. Providing employees with constructive criticism and recognition. So, sila ay nagbibigay ng feedback sa mga empleyado nila. For example, kung gaano kabuti yung pag-work nila, kung gaano maayos yung ginagawa nila sa work. And recognition, ang pagkilala nila sa mga empleyado nila or pagbigay ng awards sa mga empleyado nila. The next one is improvement plans. Developing strategies for employees to enhance their performance. So, nagbibigay sila ng strategies para ma-improve pa yung performance ng mga empleyado nila.
The core functions of human resource management. First, we have is human resource planning. Ito yung pag-analyze ng current and future HR needs para ma-ensure na meron silang tamang bilang ng tao with the right skills. So, example is that they will predict that they will need 5 marketing specialists next year based sa company growth plans. And next is job analysis and design. So this is defining job roles, responsibilities, and requirements. So job analysis and design, mahalaga po ito to avoid confusion and to set a clear expectation. So everybody in the company knows what that job is and what is need to be done. So next is recruitment and selection. So this is where they attract and hire the most qualified candidate. So first, they will post a job advertisement. Then after that, they will conduct an interview to find and choose the best candidate.
The next one is training and development. Enhancing employee skills and knowledge. So dito, ang HRM ay nagbibigay ng activity or training para enhance yung skills and madagdagan yung knowledge and ability ng mga empleyado nila. So they can perform their jobs effectively. For example, learning how to use software. Compensation and benefits. Managing employee pays and benefit programs. So this is referring to a financial and non-financial reward that is given to the employees in return for their work. Compensation, salary, wage, bonuses. Benefits, health insurance, paid leaves, retirement plans, or allowance. Performance management, evaluating and improving employee performance. This is a continuous process of setting goals, monitoring performance, giving feedback, and evaluating results to ensure employees meet organizational objective. So dito, minamanage nila, sine-check nila at ini-improve nila ang performance ng mga empleyado nila to ensure na ang mga empleyado nila ay mamimit yung organizational objectives. In short, training and development provides skills and prepares employees for the future. Compensation and benefits rewards employees for their work. Performance management ensures employees perform effectively and meet goals.
Employee relations focuses on maintaining good relationships between employees and the organization. When communication and trust are strong, employees feel valued and motivated. Meanwhile, health and safety ensures a safe and a healthy environment. This includes preventing accidents, promoting wellness, and following safety standards.
Importance of effective staffing and HRM. The first one is attract and retain talents. helps in attracting skilled employees and reducing turnover. This means hiring skilled and suitable employees, keeping them in organization for a long time. Why it is matter? Good HR practice reduce employee turnover, people leaving jobs, saves time and money spent in rehiring and training. Think, if a company treats employees well, will they want to stay or leave?
Next is enhance employee morale. So this creates a positive work environment and boosts employee satisfaction. So if yung employee nafe-feel nila na valued sila and supported sila, then they are more likely to be happy and more productive in work.
One major importance of effective staffing and HRM is improved productivity. When employees have the right skills, proper training, and clear job roles, they can work more efficiently. With good staffing, companies avoid delays, mistakes, and low-quality work.
Ensure legal complaints helps the organization comply with labor laws and regulation. So dito, ini-ensure na ang mga organization is nagpapalaw sa mga rules and regulation. For example, sa pagbayad sa mga empleyado ng tama, and sa pag hindi overtime ng mga empleyado, and pag-treat sa mga empleyado ng tama. Now, let's continue to the challenges in staffing and HRM. Number 1 is changing workforce demographics, adapting to the needs of a diverse workforce. This means that today's workforce includes people of different age, gender, cultures, education levels, and work experience, expectation, or experiences.
The second challenges in staffing and HRM is skills gaps. So, addressing the shortage of skilled workers in certain industries. So, sa tech industry, nahihirapan sila na makahanap ng tamang bilang ng software engineers kasi nga may shortage.
One challenge HRM faces today is keeping up with the technological advancement. New tools, systems, and software often require employees to adapt, learn, and update their skills. HR must constantly adjust its method to match these changes.
The fourth challenges in staffing and HRM is employee engagement. So, maintaining high levels of employee engagement and motivation. So, halimbawa, kung yung employee, marami silang ginagawang repetitive task, stressful tasks, then it can be challenging and difficult to keep them motivated.
Globalization. Managing a global workforce and dealing with cultural difference. So, dito ay mahihirapan or macha-challenge ang HR in managing employees effectively. Kasi, iba-iba yung culture or nationalism ng mga empleyado nila. So, magkakaroon dito ng conflict or problem sa mga empleyado nila.
Trends in HRM. So, the first one is remote work. This is increasing prevalence of remote work arrangement. So, these days, mas parami na ng parami yung mga companies that allows their employees to work from home. This is to attract potential employees and also prevent their employees from leaving for better opportunities.
The second one is artificial intelligence or AI. Use of AI in HR processes such as recruitment and training. So dito, gumagamit sila ng AI para mabilis and more accurately yung work nila. By using software that can think, learn, and make decision based on a data. So dito, hindi na sila nahihirapan at natatagalan sa work nila.
Next is focus on employees' well-being. This is the emphasis on employee mental and physical health. So these days, may mga company na nag-o-offer ng wellness programs and flexible work schedules sa mga employees nila. Ito ay para sa physical and mental health ng mga employees.
Diversity and inclusion. Promoting diversity and inclusion in workplace. This means creating a workplace where people from different backgrounds are welcomed, respected, and treated fairly. So dito, ang HRM hindi nila pinaparamdam sa empleyado nila na iba sila sa ibang empleyado. For example, itong group na to is Filipino and ito is American. So, ang HR is hindi nila pinaparamdam na magkakaiba-iba itong dalawang grupo na to. Parang sa kanila is pare-parehas lang sila na kung saan sila galing or paano nila i-treat yung mga empleyado nila fairly, na walang pagkakaiba, walang bias, ganon.
And then the last one, a current trend in HRM is the use of data analytics. HR uses data to make smarter decisions, such as identifying training needs, practicing employee performance, or improving recruitment. Data helps HR become more accurate and efficient. And in conclusion, effective staffing and HRM are essential for organizational success. By hiring the right people, training them well, and supporting them throughout their work, companies can improve productivity and remain competitive. HRM helps organizations attract talent, retain skilled employees, and maintain positive and efficient work environment. That is all. Thank you for listening.